Doing old-school drills and channeling the inner Rocky by moving sticks and burning wood in the center of nowhere allows for an amusing assembly, but exercise science has come too far, it cannot be overlooked. There are loads of clever workout devices you can use to turn yourself into a healthy beast if you want to preserve excellent health and appreciate your ability as an athlete. The innovative fitness technologies that we now have would help you to evaluate any part of your exercise success and your body, to optimize your strengths and strengthen your weaknesses. It can be a pain trying to keep up with your fitness objectives, especially when you are factoring in adjusting factors such as hydration, heart rate, calorie intake, and other data to help you reach your goals. Smart exercise devices can help you smash your ambitions, preserve safety, and reach the degree of strength you desire. Whether you're a professional runner or a wellness enthusiast, our collection of smart exercise devices, wisely selected, should carry you to the next stage and beyond. Although it's not fresh to use your smartphone and fitness apps to track your exercises and vital signs, do you realize there are devices that will interact with your smartphones to help you remain healthy and fit? In reality, we're here to add another 10 of those devices, this time for gym goers and calorie counters. Such tools will help you make the most of your fitness sessions, chart your progress on your well-being, and have fun at the same time. All that aside, they're all made for a wellness and fitness-focused mind that's a high target for a dog-eat-dog world champion to come out. Welcome to 10 Collective. Today we bring you the list of the 10 most advanced fitness gadgets. Don't forget to hit subscribe and click the bell to be notified of new content. Number 10 is FINIS NEPTUNE. Music can be a fairly strong incentive in about any sport to sprint or ride that extra mile, but just swim the extra lap before now. The FINIS NEPTUNE is attached to swimming goggles in this situation on the user's eyewear. This app utilizes bone conduction audio without the need for earbuds to transmit music to users' ears. Submerged underwater, the app often makes music quieter and smoother. It also comes with an optimized 4 GB storage room, an 8-hour rechargeable battery, and an OLED panel with music controls. Number 9 is Apple Watch Series 4. Due to its beautiful appearance, unparalleled versatility, and easy yet rich workout features, this is the finest Apple Watch yet, and the first sports watch. Apple came up with a 3-ring concept. The inner ring is blue, and at least once an hour make sure you stay. If you've been waiting, at 50 minutes past the hour, you can get a nudge. The middle ring is green. You need 30 minutes of vigorous workout to complete this loop. The outside ring is the toughest to fill in. In the day, you ought to eat up a lot of healthy calories, rather than, walking, chewing, chatting, and so on. Healthy calories are the ones you consume. You set the goal yourself, but to achieve it 7 days a week will always be a struggle. Number 8 is Fitbit ARIA. While most attention is given to Fitbit's catalog of fitness trackers, the company also makes an outstanding smart bathroom scale. The ARIA 2 is a mobile tool that has plenty of features for those trying to get into improved condition over time or track weight loss. The tool clearly acts as a scale, but besides calculating weight, it can also measure the amount of body fat in a person and even determine BMI. The smart scale will store accounts for up to 8 individuals, holding the details of each of the users confidential and independent from each other. The knowledge is wirelessly integrated with a mobile and can be used to monitor patterns, showing charts and graphs that result in a better image of weight reduction and general well-being. Number 7 is PowerDot Electrical Muscle Stimulator. Post-workout recuperation is one of the most commonly neglected areas of any exercise routine. We often finish a workout, hit the showers, and then head home, ignoring the sorrow and tiredness we feel throughout our bodies. But the soreness will contribute to serious injury when not adequately handled and cared for, which is where the PowerDot comes in. A compact yet lightweight electric muscle stimulator offers treatment for the sore muscles yet swollen joints, irrespective of where you are headed. Athletes literally add the PowerDot pads to the body region most in need of treatment and use their device to monitor stimulus rates. The PowerDot software, iOS/Android, guides users through every stage of the process, allowing them to make effective use of the system without the need for training of any sort. Runners, riders, CrossFitters, and other competitors may note that they heal even quicker when used daily, and thus preventing nagging accidents. Number 6 is TANGRAN Smart Rope. TANGRAN Smart Rope is a smart jump rope that tracks your jump counts, maintains track of your everyday or weekly action, calories, time, and goals achieved, and allows you to match your scores with other SmartRope users. Different forms of SmartRope are accessible, where SmartRope Rookie provides for the newcomers, and SmartRope Pure offers a smoother and better experience. For a full user experience, you should link to the available SmartRope software for both Android and iOS. Number 5 is WITHINGS Body Cardio. Not all bathroom scales are equivalent. The Body Cardio is an enticing tool with tons of clever apps. Move into it with your bare feet and it will inform you your weight. Any surprise at all there? Yet it still puts an imperceptible electric charge into you. So if you have a pacemaker, don't use it. The charge ensures it will tell you how much water, skin, bone, or fat is on the body. It tells you your weight and tracks your BMI for the last 5 days you've been on it. This will also inform you the temperature today and test your heart rate. All the data is transferred on a mobile device, which ensures you can build a view of your well-being over months or years. Telling family members apart is smart enough too. Remember that these scales were revised most recently after Nokia acquired the business, and the scales carry Nokia branding. Number 4 is VYPER Vibrating Fitness Roller. For years now, foam rollers have become a favorite for professional athletes and casual warriors alike, helping them to warm up before a workout and then cool off. However, by having the power to vibrate at the same time, the Hyperis VYPER 2 brings a different aspect to the tried and tested foam roller. The VYPER 2 will help exercise fanatics maximize their strength, boost mobility, and reduce muscle exhaustion, making it easy to relax and train for the next workout, with 3 power ranges and a battery that allows up to 2 hours of usage between recharges. Hyperis claims the VYPER 2 is twice as powerful as the regular foam roller, and we prefer to believe that, because the tool is a convenient way to prevent downtime and injury. Number 3 is MightySat. A one-of-a-kind fingertip pulse oximeter, this small gadget sticks to your finger and calculates the body's 5 main vital signs, that is oxygen, saturation, heart rate, breathing rate, perfusion index, and pleth variability index. The aspect that distinguishes MightySat from other oximeters is the signal extraction engineering that removes the arterial signal from sources of amplification and assures a reliable reading. That's why hundreds of hospitals and thousands of patients depend to their well-being on this unit. Number 2 is Theragun GT Pro. Used for both personal trainers and massage practitioners, the Theragun GT Pro is simple enough for the regular user to use too. This system provides athletes with deep muscle treatment, which helps them to rejuvenate their bodies much faster while accelerating their recovery from injury. The Theragun utilizes a special mix of rhythm and intensity to provide an intense yet highly soothing treatment that can revitalize the damaged knees, muscles, and other stress points so an individual can start practicing at a high level. The system is also lightweight and compact, but extremely strong, making it the ideal companion for those traveling for athletic competitions. Number 1 is OZMO Active Smart. Remaining hydrated is essential to meeting the health objectives before, after, and during a workout. The thing is, we don't all want to consume as much water as we can all day long, which may have an effect on how well we do in an event, whether training or participating. The OZMO Active Smart Bottle aims to improve this by sending fun updates on when it's time to take a drink, while still maintaining track of how much water or other liquids we drink all day long. The 16-ounce BPA-free bottle comes with an embedded rechargeable battery and Bluetooth compatibility, allowing it to communicate with the mobile to monitor hydration patterns over time. The container vibrates just to alert you that it is time to take a swig. For every passing day, apps and tools are getting cleverer. Innovative devices have made our lives simpler, and today there is a technology accessible for practically every job. If you're talking about investing money on wellness equipment, then you'll need to budget smartly and specifically according to your needs. Worthy Health devices can enable you to attain your wellness goals.